How far would you travel to find real freedom? What would you do to find ultimate peace? This is the beginning of a 700-mile journey through some of the roughest waters on Lake Michigan. Watch the beginning of this trip with Captain Stephen aboard the 38-foot Catalina Tippy Too. Captain Stephen spent several days provisioning and preparing for this amazing trip to the North Channel. The North Channel is at the very top of Lake Huron in Canadian waters. Poring over charts, reading weather reports, he carefully planned for this 2-month epic journey north. I have no onboard cameras on the Tippy Too. This video is strictly about the departure of an epic journey north with 2 Catalina sailing yachts, Captain Stephen aboard the Tippy Too and Captain Don aboard the Mariah. Their first stop will be Pentwater, Michigan. Departing on June 20th, 2026 at 10 a.m. in the morning, under cloudy skies and cool temps in the low 60s, the Tippy Too and the Mariah crossed White Lake, heading to the channel that led to the 3 to 4 foot waves on Lake Michigan. Clearing the pierheads at around 11 a.m., they waved farewell. I do not have onboard cameras on the Tippy Too, so the remainder of the story will have to wait until August to be told. Fair winds and following seas, my friends. May you have the journey of a lifetime.